Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video also. So today we will make bottle gourd juice. So for this we already took all this ingredient, like we already took this bottle gourd, we already clean it and we have to cut dices, little ginger, salt little, and this ice cubes and this lemon and this mixer to grind our this bottle gourd. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. You will find how you will make in easy style. So first what we will do, first we have to dice our bottle gourd with ginger and little salt and lemon juice. We'll grind it and we'll serve with like ice cubes. So this is very good juice for your health and also diabetic patient. If you have diabetic patient, so this will be good for you. So now let's start. I will show you step by step. So please see this video till last. You will find how you will make in easy style. So if you want to know, please don't skip this video and see the till last. Okay. So let's start now. I am showing now. Okay. So to make our bottle gourd juice, I already diced this bottle gourd. So we put here bottle gourd and also little salt and lemon juice. And I already cut little ginger. Okay, so we have to grind it. Okay, so I already put this little salt and this our lemon juice little here, and we have to grind it now. Okay. So we already grinded it, so we have to strain this our by strainer. Okay, you can strain here and have to serve. Okay, so this is very delicious and good recipe. So already strain it, so we have to put in a glass and have to serve it. Okay, so very quick and delicious recipe this is. So I will show you. So now you just add little this ice cubes. Okay, so now this is ready to serve now. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you would be like this. We will come with another informative video also. And if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also. The benefit of channel subscribe is that you will find all our informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will be like this. So we will come with another informative video also. Please like and share to your friends also. So till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.